So I am leaving Home Depot right now. I had to come over here and get a few things. I've been back and forth here a little bit lately. The spoiler that I got when I installed it, I kind of put some temporary screws in there because I didn't have what I needed at the time. And time passed and I never replaced those. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just take it all the way off and redo the whole thing. I'm gonna put some new double-sided tape because I'll show you guys, I didn't put enough double-sided tape. I didn't put the double-sided tape in the right area to give it enough lift, because water gets trapped in there when I wash my car or when it rains or anything, and yeah, it's not good. So I'm just gonna redo the whole thing. I'm gonna take you guys along the process because I didn't last time. You know, it's a pretty simple process. So that's pretty much what we're getting into today. If that's something that you guys are interested in, stick around because we're gonna show you how to do it step by step, POV. You already know how we do it. If you guys enjoy, like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate it greatly. It helps out tremendously. If you want to be a part of the channel's growth, that's the way to do it, man. All links are down below in the description. But without further ado, let's get right to it. Back, as you guys can see, basically all we got to do is remove these pins. One's already removed from the middle. You got 2 right here, 3 right there. Remove those and then we'll remove these. Boom, boom. Take this off, and basically you see right here, this is the one that's missing when I was telling you guys about. And this, I still have to remove this. Actually, last time I did this, I kind of messed up and broke that. So one's still on, the other one isn't. So I actually have that part waiting for me at the dealership. I just got to go pick that up. So that and that got to be replaced. I'll do that after I get the right bolts in there. You see this one's still on there, actually holding up pretty well, but that's not the right one. I just put these in there temporarily when I was doing it, just because I had everything off. I didn't have the right stuff. I didn't have a ride to go get it. So I did that, and I never went back and put the right bolts. So don't make that mistake, people. Make sure you use the right stuff. But we're gonna be going in and cleaning it up right now. Another thing is there's not enough gap, so water gets trapped in there every time rain comes or every time I wash it, and yeah, that's not good. So I'm gonna just redo the whole thing. These are the bolts and washers I'm using. You guys can see right there, 1/4 inch, 20 by 1/2 inch on the screws. God damn it, I didn't realize I got zinc, so I'm gonna have to go back and get stainless steel. But these are the washers that I'm using with it, 5/16. Then I got a little Loctite right here, you guys see, and then I got the double-sided tape.
20 minutes later.
All right, we back. I got everything I need. I got the stainless on everything. So that's one thing you will need is stainless steel, because zinc will rust, anything else will rust, stainless steel won't, you know, weatherproof. So let's get it, man. Let's get right to it. So this is the tool we can use to get these little pins out. You don't need one this big, but this is the only one that I got. And sorry if it's a little windy, guys. You know, it is what it is. Those come right out. Just be careful not to break them. Set it to the side somewhere. All right, got all those out. Now I just need to remove that. All right, we got what we need, the T25. Down, just in case that double-sided tape ain't holding very well. That should be everything. Should just pull off. Boom, there it is. So this time, I'm gonna put the tape all along this and this. I was working with minimal tape last time, so that's all I was able to do, but we'll do a better job this time. Take a look at it. That's what the Dodge Charger looks like without a wing. What you guys think? Would you still cop that? The Charger without a wing? Oh no. Hardest part of dealing with double-sided tape is finding that freaking edge right here to peel the film off. There it is though, I got it. And there's one. There's two. Alright. Got the tape on. Now let's go line it up. Alright, so to help me line it up, I just taped those screws in there. See if that worked. Looks like it worked. Cool. Alright, now before I tighten it up all the way, I'm gonna put a little Loctite on it. Just give it a little extra support. Alright, got it on there. Alright, that one's nice and secure. Boom. And we got one left. Make sure it ain't pushing the spoiler up. We good. Alright, we nice and secure. Let me test it out. Oh yeah. Much better. See how everything moves when you move it around? We in there, baby. We in there like swimwear. Yeah, nice and secure. Got the Loctite in there now, and it is the Loctite, the removable Loctite. Make sure you get the Loctite for the threads. Don't get the super glue Loctite. Mess around and permanently put something on your whip. You can see right here, I think I'm gonna drill 2 more holes in and put some screws in, but I can't do it right now. But you could put 2 more in right there. I think I'm gonna do it just for a little extra security, even though I don't think it needs it. But yeah, man, other than that, we good. Like I said in the beginning, pretty simple, pretty easy. Just put the double-sided tape, you know, and now as you can see, there's a little clearance, so that water will be able to come through. You know, that double-sided tape did that for me, so it won't get stuck in there anymore. Now all I need to do is go get these pieces and the job will be complete. Alright, so just like that, we're all done. You see all that's back on there. Like I said, I just need to get these weathering things, you know, to put these back on there like that. Boom, however it goes. This one's for the other side. But you see, man, it's all secure, good to go. Got all the stuff on there back right. Simple, man. Doesn't take very long at all. I did it by myself. You know, it could be a 1-man job, 2-man if you want to make it a little easier on yourself. But as you guys seen, I did it myself. All I did was tape these on there, so it helped me line it up pretty much perfectly. So that's how it's done, y'all. If you guys were wondering how to install and take off your spoiler, that's how you do it right there. Hopefully it helped out. If it did, drop a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe. It all helps out tremendously. I appreciate it greatly. Other than that, that's gonna do it for this one. All links are down below in the description for anything you guys might need. Until the next time, I'm gonna catch you guys soon. Who is LouieXIII checking out. Salute. Bye.